friends, it's Miss Rachel with the Otago Prattville Public Library, and today we are doing a cat in a hat craft for Read Across America for our Zoom story room that was yesterday. So we will need some markers, a glue stick, and our craft kit with all of our pieces cut out. And we're going to begin by taking the pieces out of our craft kit, and we can unfold our blue paper and just kind of flatten it out so it's one nice big piece. This is going to be our background for the cat in the hat. And then we're going to take out the big cat body and all of our little pieces here. And we're going to begin gluing everything together. So we're going to start by gluing the big black cat body onto the background, onto the blue background. So I'm going to put a light layer of glue all over the back, and then we can go ahead and stick him on. And I like to line him up right with the bottom so that we have plenty of room for the hat. The hat's probably going to stick up a little bit past the paper, but that's okay. That makes it look fun. But if you line it up at the bottom, that looks nice and clean as well. Next, before we do the hat and the super cool bow tie, we're going to go ahead and put on his belly and his face. So we're going to glue those parts on. The circular part is going to be his face. And you can just put that towards the bottom in the middle of the head. And then the oval with the flat bottom is his belly. And we'll go ahead and line that up with the bottom edge of the papers as well, like that. Now we can start with the decorations. So we can put on his fancy bow tie with a little bit of glue. Of course, if you want, you can color any of these elements at any point. You can color them before you glue them on or after. I'm going to color mine after. And we'll glue on his hat. I just like, for this particular craft, to see how all the pieces look all together before I begin the artistic coloring work. And I'm going to put my cat's hat on a little bit crooked, just so he looks just a little bit silly like the cat in the hat does. And now we can decorate his bow tie, draw his facial features, and color in his hat. So I'm going to put a circle in the middle of his bow tie, and then two C's, one regular C and one backward C to add some dimension. Then I'm going to do a V, a sideways V on each side to add some dimension to the bow part. And then I'm just going to go ahead and outline around the edge of the bow as well. And this is sort of like a sideways big W. And then we're going to do that one more time, the same sort of thing, a big W on the bottom. There we go. Next, we'll draw the face. So we want to do little C shapes again, little semicircles, and then a big old smile for his face. And we'll do a triangle for the cat in the hat's nose, and a little line at the bottom of the triangle. And then the eyes, we're going to use that same semicircular C and backward C shape, and then just do another line going the opposite direction, and then fill in the inside with a U to give him the pupils. And then we'll give him some nice eyebrows to help him have a very expressive face. And the face is all done and set and good to go. So we're almost done. The finishing touch, though, is to give him his classic red and white striped hat. So I'm going to make the whole base of the hat red. And I recommend drawing the lines first and then going ahead and filling in every other stripe with the red. That way you can just kind of have a little bit more control over where you're putting your color and you can stay within the lines. So I'm going to make the base red. And then every other stripe I will also make red. There we are. Now we have a super fun Cat in the Hat friend craft. So I hope you all enjoyed this activity and we hope to see you next week. Have a fabulous day. Bye.